Reading 1. Which is the most expensive cotton, wool, or silk? The silk is the most expensive cloth. Which the country Which country is the biggest producer of silk? China is the biggest producer of silk in the world. Why does Chen Kongwen think that all silk are more beautiful than modern silk? Because in ancient times, weaving was done from the hair. Actually, weaving is done from the commerce. Why do the workers put the cocoons into hot water? They put the cocoons into the hot water to make them softer. Do you agree that a woman is more gentle when she wears a silk kimono? Give you reason. First, because this is how the Japanese tradition is preserved. Second, because it represents an honorable figure of Japan's woman.